Unfortunately, we find many of the youth today, they look up to these football players. For example, a person, if he's a Messi fan or if he's a Ronaldo fan, he will know the number of goals that Ronaldo has scored. He will know for which clubs Ronaldo and Messi have played. He will know how many times Messi has won the FIFA World Player of the Year. He will know all of these things, these details. But when you ask the same youngster regarding the lifestyle of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon him, regarding the seerah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon him, when did the Battle of Badr take place, and other questions related to the life of the Sahaba, the Khulafa Rashidun, they will not be aware regarding it. Are these sports stars our role models, or is our role model our beloved Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon him? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Al-Qalam chapter number 68 verse number 4, وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَىٰ خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ, for verily you art in the highest standard of character. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Ahzab chapter number 33 verse number 21, لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ, verily in the messenger of Allah you have a beautiful pattern of behavior. So the beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he should be our role model. And these sports stars or celebrities should not be our role models.